Hello everyone, welcome back to AP American Government and Politics. I just want to go over a quick tutorial on how to access the Constitution, the interactive Constitution, as we approach that unit. We'll be in the Constitution for quite a bit, so I just want to make sure that you are familiar on how to navigate through that, and I will certainly give you some tips and pointers on what to expect when you get to the website, and I will certainly make sure to have a link posted so that way you can get access to the website. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your email, I'm sorry, not your email, but your web browser, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to constitutioncenter.org. So we're going to go there, and it's loading up, and this is the website that should pop up when you enter constitutioncenter.org. And once you get there, you're going to click on Read the Constitution. So we're going to click that. And then here, this is what should pop up here. And to get into the Constitution, we'll click Explore It. And then here shows the individual amendments. So the First Amendment, Second Amendment, Third Amendment, all of the amendments, all 27 of them. And then you can actually click article, and it will actually pop up every single article of the Constitution. So we'll start off with the legislative branch, which is Article 1. We'll click that, and here are all of the sections of the Article 1. And sometimes you might be able to click on this on the highlighted text, and it'll pop up like a little text box here on some little tidbits. You can actually make a selection that you want: Congress, House of Representatives, the Senate, elections. So we'll get into all that as the weeks wind on. So we'll go back to that. And then, real cool additive here is I'm clicking on the amendment. I went back to the amendment. It will automatically go back to the amendment. So I've got the First Amendment: freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. And you can actually get some scholarly articles. So this one's on the Establishment Clause by Marcy Hamilton and Michael McConnell. If you click that, and it will actually pop up a cool article and some hyperlinks and some other Supreme Court cases. Now, another cool feature here is you can actually download the Interactive Constitution app. So here, this is where you would enter in your space, your search bar, in your application. So it is Apple compatible, and I do have it actually on my phone, and it is a free app, so you can get it on the Apple Store, or you can actually get it on Google Play. So when you enter Interactive Constitution on your search to get the app, it should pop up and you can get it for free. And then that's pretty much it. So like I stated, we will get through all of the Constitution. So please, keep in mind and explore that. And when we get into certain articles and amendments, you will be in this website to actually read the text of that particular amendment or article of the Constitution, or even one of these scholarly articles that I might assign to you. That shall do it for this one. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, or you can message me and through SETI Island, and I'll certainly be happy to assist you. And once again, have a wonderful day. Bye.